Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all, I am making something that I personally need, so I thought I'd bring you along with me. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Thank you all so much for choosing to spend a portion of your day with me. This is going to be a very quick video because I'm going to share with you something that I'm making. I need a few of these, so I'm making them, and I thought that some of you might be able to use these from time to time as well. And y'all, here's what I'm talking about. It's just a little mini favor bag. I need a few of these, and I'm making them and filling them with a few sweet treats. But you can make these little goodies here and fill them with all types of smalls. So I am going to give you a closer look at this in just a minute, but y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. And y'all, this is a great way to use up some paper scraps. I actually went through some pages of papers where I had larger pieces and leftover pieces, and I cut them out. So I basically designed the size of my bag around the size scrap that I had. So this is an awesome scrap project, and in the end, you get something as beautiful as this. Now when finished, this is 3 inches wide, 4.5 inches tall, and 2.5 inches deep. So you can get some goodies in here, but you can see how cute this is. I tried to use up as much scrap as I could on this project, but if you have some larger pieces of scrap, little projects like this will go a long way to helping you use up some of that scrap. Easy peasy project. Here's how we do it. So for this project, my paper size is 8 by 12. So every now and then I'll mess up on some scoring and I'll catch myself and I'll just take the full sheet or the partial sheet and throw it into my scrap box. And then I can pull it out when I have a need for a project where that piece might fit. So that works for me, and I thought I would share it with you. So here on the 12-inch side, we are going to score at 2.5, at 5.5, at 8, and at 11. Then we're going to rotate it to the 8-inch side. Let's score at 1, and let's score at 5.5. So now I'm going to bring in my big old spatula, and we are going to fold and burnish all of our scores. And this is more of a text weight paper, meaning I can run it through my printer just as I would my copier or printer paper. But you don't have to use a text weight on this. You can use your medium weight scraps. You can even use your heavyweight scraps. Completely up to you. So now that we have it like this, we need to remove that corner piece. So it's the longer corner piece of the two corner pieces. So let's just go ahead, and I'm using my finger blade, and cut. And then I'll go across the bottom here, and I'll angle slightly on both sides of each score mark. And y'all can see how quickly this project is going. Like I said, it's not going to take much time at all. So now I'm going to take my tape runner, and I am just going to run tape along this 1-inch mark here, and I'm going to fold the whole thing over. And now I'll just go back and reinforce my scores. And your piece is like this. So now we're going to take this flap here, and I'm just going to add some tape right here. And then we'll take this flap here, I'll add some tape there, and then we'll come over to the end flap and I will add some tape right there. So now I'll take my tape runner and we'll add some tape on the adhesive flap on this side. So now we can put it together by folding over that adhesive flap, taking this piece and connecting the two like this. And now we can stand it up. We take that piece on which we place the tape on the printed side, we fold that over, we fold that in, and this is the back of the box, so we fold that over, and then we fold that over. And I keep calling it a box, but it's a nice little bag. And then I'm just going to get everything nice and stuck. Now I can take my fingers and we are simply going to pinch at the top, trying to get it nice and even, like that. Then I'll push in those sides and I'm just going to pinch down. And y'all, there is our cute little bag. So I have this piece that measures 3 by 3. I am just going to take it, fold it in half. Let me go ahead and just fill this with the little goodies that I'm going to be putting inside. I think I put about 14 Hershey's Kisses in my little bag. So now it looks like this, nice and full. I'm going to take this piece and we are just going to add some tape. This is how I'm closing it, because this really is just a little favor bag. And for me, those are always one and dones, because they're, once you open them, they're pretty much going to be ripped apart. So we're just going to take this and put it on like this. And then we just fold it over. And now I have another piece of scrap that measures 1/2 inch by 3. And I am just going to fold this in half. Add my tape. Fold it over. Use my big old spatula to round that just a little bit. And then I'm going to take this and we put it on like that. So I'm going to do that with tape as well. This isn't a lot of weight, so my tape will hold. If you want, you can use glue. When you are paper crafting, you can pretty much use whatever it is you can think of. So I might not be using it, but if you can think of it, go ahead and just give it a try. So now we have this piece like that. Y'all, that is a beautiful little favor bag. So I am going to take this piece because I want to add a little message, and it says "So Grateful." And I am going to add some tape to the back. Place this down right there. I could put it in my trimmer, but I think I will just cut it out with my scissors. And now I'm just going to lift this up a little bit. And I'll take my little sentiment that says "So Grateful." So then I'm just going to take a little gem enamel dot, put it there. Take another one and put it on the back. And so now I have another really sweet 3 by 4.5 by 2 inch little favor bag that I can give to someone, and that I will be giving to someone. So I think that these are just so sweet and so delightful. and so easy to make. Saw how quick it was. If you have an event and you want to make something just to send people away with a little something, this is a great way of doing it. Just make some of these little favor bags and add your goodies, and they are good to go. Go through your scraps and pick out some scraps that work well together and have fun making this sweet little craft. So I hope that you have enjoyed today's quick and easy video. If you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.